The selection committee awards 3 national prizes for those projects found to be particularly innovative. The 3rd national prize is presented to McGill University for their project entitled UPrint, a unified and sustainable campus cloud print solution. McGill's innovative UPrint project drastically reduces the inefficiencies and costs associated with printing documents. It also improves the user's experience and reduces the carbon footprint. Staff and students can send a job to print from anywhere at any time. All jobs are sent to the cloud to be printed when convenient at any one of the more than 500 printers located on campus. When ready to print their job, the user simply goes to any networked printer on campus and waves their McGill ID card near the reader. UPrint is a cashless system. Printing costs, which are the same all over campus, are automatically charged to the student or staff member's account or cost center when he or she prints a job. UPrint eliminates waiting or system downtimes. If a printer is not working, users can simply go to another printer. It also offers a more sustainable approach to printing through the use of recycled paper and the responsible recycling of equipment. The 2nd national prize is presented to Wilfrid Laurier University for their project entitled Laurier's Employee Success Factors. In 2010, Laurier's Human Resources Department worked with a committee of employees to define positive attitudes, behaviors, work styles, and interactions that align with Laurier's mission, vision, and values to create a successful organization. The committee asked the question, how do Laurier's values translate into the way people carry out their everyday work? Through the work of this group, 5 employee success factors were created to reflect Laurier's values and articulate how those values can be demonstrated by staff and faculty. A video explaining the 5 success factors and featuring interviews with Laurier employees and stakeholders was produced and shown at the President's September 2010 Town Hall events in Brantford and Waterloo. Since then, the success factors have been integrated into learning and development programs, recruitment processes, performance assessments, and merit programs, and will form the basis of Laurier's employee recognition and leadership development programs. The 1st national prize is presented to the University of Toronto for their project entitled The Negotiable RFP in Action at the University of Toronto. The negotiable request for proposal was implemented in 2010. The procurement services team at the University of Toronto developed a flexible process that combines the legal requirement for public tendering with a negotiation step that enables the purchase to be refined to best suit the buyer before the contract is awarded. The traditional RFP process involved a document that set everything in stone early in the project life cycle. With the NRFP, customers and vendors have more flexibility in a collaborative process where many options and solutions can be explored without compromising legal requirements while remaining transparent and fair. A plain language toolkit outlines the competitive procurement process in 8 steps. This helps customers make sense of their options, manage expectations, and report to managers on the progress of their procurement projects. Results have far exceeded expectations. A year after implementation, process compliance rose from 50% to 99%, the number of RFPs submitted increased by 60%, and hard dollar savings amounted to $1.1 million.